नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं सौरभ शर्मा। आप देख रहे हैं भारत 24। कुछ कहानियां होती हैं जो आप तक पहुंचाई जाती हैं और उन कहानियों को अलग अलग डिफ्रेंशिएट किया जाता है। कुछ कहानी स्ट्रगल की होती है, कुछ राइज की होती है और कुछ डाउनफॉल की होती है। लेकिन जब इस सब से गुजरते हुए एक शख्सियत आपके सामने आती है, वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाती है और उस शख्सियत की कहानी आज मैं आपके सामने लेके आया हूँ। मेरे साथ कशिका कपूर मौजूद है। मैम, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है भारत 24 में।
थैंक यू।
जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि राइज होता है, फॉल होता है, स्ट्रगल होता है, उन सबको जब पार आप करते हैं तो एक शख्सियत बनती है जिसको लोग पर्दे पे देखते हैं, उसको इंजॉय करते हैं, उस किरदार को। तो आपको लगता है कि ये कशिका बचपन से ही बनी थी कि शी वॉन्ट्स टू एंटरटेन हर ऑडियंस, हर फैंस ऑन स्क्रीन?
या फॉर श्योर, आई थिंक बचपन से ही एक सपना था और अब धीरे धीरे पूरा हो रहा है। एंड आई फील पूरा नहीं हुआ है बिकॉज you take that challenge up that this is success for me, not about the world, not to prove anything to anyone, but for yourself. My dad always tells me, today also we discussed this and he's like, Ashika, what is true success? It's you being happy with yourself. It's you being happy with the kind of work you've done. That is true success, not to prove anything to the world, but to yourself.
अच्छा, how do you celebrate your success? Because बहुत चीजें होती है, उसको अलग अलग तरीके से सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है और मुझे लगता है कि you have always celebrated with your family along.
I was just gonna say that.
So आपको लगता है कि जब आप एक किरदार निभाते हैं,
हाँ जी,
और उस पर तालियां, सीटियां और स्टैंडिंग ओवेशंस होते हैं, वो असली ऑस्कर मोमेंट होता है। और कभी जब आपकी फिल्म रिलीज, तो कभी आपने देखा थिएटर्स में जाके, या रिएक्शंस मॉम डैड के बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। आप मूवी देख रहे हैं और आप रिएक्शंस अपने मॉम डैड के देख रहे हैं, उस टाइम क्या फीलिंग होती है कशिका?
I think it's a winning moment. It's a very, very proud feeling that, seeing your parents who've supported you all this while, throughout, been there for you, sacrificed their careers because they had to come on set with you, on shoots with you. They wanted to make sure that my child is safe, my child is protected, and, she's given everything she needs. And it's all done well in a dignified way, in a clean way. I think there's nothing better than that, and no bigger win-win moment than that, because my happiest moment, genuinely, even when my first film released, was seeing my mom whistle there.
Wow.
Was seeing my dad cheer for me.
Wow. Everybody sees you, okay, Kashika is twinkling, shining. हाँ, ये हकीकत है, बट उसके पीछे की जो मेहनत है, मैं चाहता हूँ आप ऑडियंस को बताएं, बिकॉज सबको लगता है, is it easy? Is it not easy?
Okay, firstly, with a shining star, I have some connection. So let me just tell you about that. तो मैं रिसेंटली गई थी आत्मंथन एंड वहां पर मैंने ये तारे देखे एंड आई वाज लाइक, यार, जस्ट लुक एट दैट स्टार शाइनिंग. इट कांट शाइन विदाउट द अदर स्टार्स बीइंग इन द स्काई. So I think everyone has to be there for that one star to shine. But it comes with a lot of struggle. Correct. It comes with a lot of hard work. Correct. And I feel the most difficult thing, right, in this industry is actually not to say a yes. It's to say a no to something that doesn't suit your self-confidence, that doesn't suit your intuition, that makes you feel that, yaar, this is not correct for me. चाहे वो कितना भी बड़ा क्यों ना हो, वो प्रोडक्शन हाउस, वो मूवी, but यार, if you feel ना, if your gut is telling you don't do it, you should just not do it. And it's challenging because, yaar, it's an opportunity you got and you just said a straight point blank answer and you said that nahi yaar, nahi karna. But I think that's also your journey. And it's not easy. There are days when, there have been days, of course, initially when I've cried in the shower for hours and hours that, yaar, एक चीज मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इतनी auditions दे रही हूँ एंड बोल भी रहे कि लॉक हो गए हो, फिर रिप्लेस हो जाता है, फिर कोई स्टार्केड आ जाता है, फिर कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है एंड फीडबैक्स नहीं आते हैं. एंड दीज आर फ्रॉम द बिगेस्ट ऑफ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स. It's quite sad. But I think it's the harsh reality of this little world where there are a lot of people like me who are out there. I've seen so many people, so many videos where, people are extremely talented, but I think they're just not given that door to, even put their foot into. And they can't step forward, because no one's giving them that carpet. It's just like वो है ही नहीं उधर.
लेकिन कशिका, क्या कशिका सुपरस्टिशियस है या बिलीवर ऑफ गॉड है? बिकॉज ये बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है जब आप एक पाथ पे चलते हैं। विवेकानंद ने कहा था कि अगर आप जा रहे हैं और उसमें कांटे ना हो तो समझ लेना ये पाथ गलत है।
हाँ जी।
एंड यू हैव वॉक दैट पाथ। और बहुत सारे जिस तरीके से आपने कहा, यू हैव क्राइड इन अ शावर, यू हैव फेस लॉट ऑफ ऑडिशंस। लेकिन क्या सुपरस्टिशंस बन जाता है आदमी बिकॉज चीजें वर्क नहीं करती है, या बिलीवर ऑफ गॉड ज्यादा हो जाता है?
I think believer of God because I blindly followed the path firstly because I believe in God because I know कि यार गुरुजी सब संभाल लेंगे जो भी है, struggles हो, earlier I used to think जब गुरुजी, when I wasn't following गुरुजी, of course I didn't know about गुरुजी तभी, तो मैं बोलती थी यार क्या हो रहा है, I used to cry in the shower, क्यों नहीं हो रहा। अब मैं बोलती हूँ यार this is protection। ये दरवाजा खुला ही नहीं क्योंकि यार 10 और बड़े दरवाजे हैं और 10 और बड़े एंट्रीज है, तो मैं क्यों वो एक दरवाजे के बारे में सोच रही हूँ which was not even meant for me,
So you're more of spiritual or more of religious?
I'd say, see, there are two different things, but I think I'm very, very aligned when it comes to religion and spirituality, thanks to my mom and dad, that, they've always made sure that Sakshi and I, my sister and I, are a certain way. But we are deep believers in God, of course, and we're very, very spiritual, like very, very, which means कि अगर आप अभी भी बोल दोगे ना कि जाकर meditate कर लो, I'm ready to do it, because I need that peace. We all need it. Whether you're a businessman, whether you're a businesswoman, whether you're an actor, whether you're anything, everyone is finding peace at some point.
अच्छा, कभी कोई एक ऐसा किरदार जिसका ऑडिशंस दिया, बहुत मजा आया, हाँ, स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छी थी लेकिन सोशल वैल्यूज के खिलाफ था, तो यू डिडंट, आपने वो इग्नोर कर दिया? बहुत
बारी हुआ है, बट क्या करे यार, like I told you have to trust your gut and don't look at the smaller picture, look at the bigger picture यार. You have to last here for long. You have to, आपको लंबे रेस का घोड़ा बनना है. You don't want to be someone who's just going to survive for a few days or a few months. You don't want to be that. And that doesn't, my parents always tell me this, that, if Kashika, you want to last here forever now, you got to wait. You need that patience. You have to have that faith, and you can't want everything instantly. जो instant आता है, instant चले भी जाता है. So I think the longer you wait, the more beauty gets formed, the more wonderful your journey gets, and I think you eventually get there. I think I never looked back. I actually never looked back because I never had a plan B. I was always like, yaar, yehi karna hai. This is my only path. There is no plan B. So if it's this, it's nothing. But that's why it was always this. But I also feel like I was always so confident in myself. And yaar, you know what? I don't believe in competition and all.
Correct.
I don't believe in it because my only competition is myself.
Wow.
If I can't challenge myself, if I can't be a better version of myself tomorrow, how can I even want to compete with other people? Pehle khud ke saath to lad lo. So I'm not someone who does that. I feel everyone, every actor here, every artist here today has their own journey. There are projects everyone is made for. There could be a happy scene, there could be a sad scene, there could be action, there could be anything, and everyone is made for something different that truly defines them. So that's not the thing. I've always been very confident in myself. So कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि यार, पीछे मुड़ के देखना है या नहीं देखना है. It was just that I'm here, I'm happy, I'm satisfied. And होने वाला है यार. I was just following the path. I never said, even the days when I was not good, like you mentioned, when I was crying in the shower, when I was low, I never said that yaar nahi karna hai. I said get up stronger, because you're wasting time crying. In that much time you can go and give another audition.
So you're taking your time for choice of films, choice of content.
Yeah.
और जिस तरीके से अभी content आ रहा है, we have seen celebrations and theater.
हाँ जी.
But बहुत सारे ऐसे content है जो आए और गए. कशिका कैसे कंटेंट पे फोकस रखती हैं, या शी कीप्स ऑन ट्राइंग, शी कीप्स ऑन चैलेंजिंग हरसेल्फ इन एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट, एवरी कंटेंट?
आई थिंक एज एन आर्टिस्ट यू नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी वर्सेटाइल. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको जो भी रोल्स आ रहे हैं, they're decent, they're good enough, and you know that it's going to leave an impact, then you should obviously take it up. You should never say no to it because you're challenging yourself. As an actor, you can't just do one role. मतलब आयुष्मती गीता में I was a very simple girl, but I can't keep that going. I have to go out there and be a girl now who's a little more confident, a girl who's, a little more out there. you got to challenge yourself, yaar, and do every character. Like in Love Your Father, I was a little mix of, you know, this little bubbly girl and who was also like Chalu from within, but who was also like supporting the family. It was like different. Who was there for her person, you know. So I think versatility is what really, truly defines you in this industry. So I think to take up roles which are challenging, like Taapsee in Pink,
Wow.
I loved her in that. I felt like she was fighting for the nation, not just for herself.
One of them,
Yeah. She's done some great roles actually, and I loved that.
अस्सी recent क्या
So good, yeah, like so good. I think to do things that are really challenging and out of the box, because romance तो सभी कर रहे हैं यार, कोई भी कर सकता है. But for you to do something that no one's
Out of
doing,
the box.
yeah, something out of the box. So
अच्छा, this one surprising personality in your life
हाँ जी.
जो आपके मुझे लगता है कि जब आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं तो
I confide in that person.
वो yes you sit with that person and she's your mother.
Okay, so my mom is of course a person I'd sit with.
आपकी जिंदगी में एक सरप्राइजिंग पर्सनैलिटी है. आई शुड कॉल हर मिसेस इंडिया बिकॉज शी इज ऑलवेज देयर, जो दिखाई नहीं देती है. जब आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं शी इज द वन हु
I
सेट्स
confide in her, yeah.
यू सेट्स, आप सलाह करते हैं एंड हमेशा से ही उनकी सलाह एंड शी इज योर मदर. क्या कितना भरोसा मिलता है उस स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ते हुए जब मदर साथ होती है?
बहुत ज़्यादा. It gives you a relief. See, honestly speaking, my mom is my safe place. So I think when I'm, you know, even rehearsing, going through my lines, I always sit next to Mama, just for peace. She never interferes in it or, you know, intervenes and says, nahi, aise, waise. No, she has that confidence in her daughter. So she just knows that this is peace for her. You know, she'll feel good about it. If I'm sitting next to her, I'm giving her that little, you know, confidence and I'm giving her company. You know, so what happens with me when I'm even doing a script or anything, I like to be by myself. Because I need to focus.
Correct.
Right? And also I have this thing in me, if I read my script once, I don't have to go through it 10 times. Because वो automatically mind में, you know, fill in हो जाता है. So I can remember that way and I don't have to like reread and go through it. And also there's one thing about me, I like the first take in any film. Because what happens is, it's more natural. Right? When you give a second take or a third take, it becomes more artificial.
करेक्ट.
More created. And as an actor, your first shot is always your best shot because you're giving your natural shot, your true shot. You're not pretending. But on second shot onwards, you know, यार एक shot तो हो गया ना, ये तो कर लिया, तो वापस वही shot देना, then that becomes a different, you know, game altogether.
लेकिन कई बार आपको लगता है कि एक फिल्म है, बहुत बड़ी फिल्म है,
हाँ.
और उसके ऑडिशंस हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
वो ऑडिशंस आज भी बहुत जरूरी होते हैं किसी भी किरदार के लिए, क्योंकि कई बार होता है कि यू बोर्न विद अ गोल्डन स्पून तो यू गेट दैट रोल. क्या आपको लगता है कि जितना भी बड़ा एक्टर हो उसके लिए ऑडिशंस कितने जरूरी है, आप आज भी मानते हैं?
See, to be very honest with you, why I also don't agree on auditions or agree to them, to be very honest again with you, is because I have noticed this. When you're signed up for a film, right? Once you sign for a film, a director is anyway going to be calling you for workshops. He's going to prepare you. तो आपने audition लिया ही क्यों? If you know the person, you know how they are, you've had a meeting. So what happens usually with the South industry, I've seen this, they meet you and they know that this is who I want. Correct. But why they know? Because the director can read through you. He knows that, you know what, this girl can do it and I'll get it out of her. And eventually that is what's happening in Bollywood also. Because they meet you, वो तो उनको पता है कि यार कैसे इससे निकलवाना है ना, हमें मालूम है.
Correct.
Because the director is the one who's going to direct and guide you on set. Right? So an audition, according to me, is pointless. I'll tell you why. There are many reasons. Okay? Sometimes, and I've noticed this about a lot of actors whenever I've gone for an audition also, sometimes they're late, they're panicking, they're stressed. And they just feel, yaar, karna hai, khatam karke, you know, chale jaate hain. I've seen all of this happen. And I feel, yaar, but when you're on set, it's different. You're calmer. You're signed for the film. There's a different emotion you're coming on set with. But when you're coming for an audition, you're coming with a very scared emotion, ki hoga ya nahi hoga. You know, and a lot of things go wrong. Maybe your outfits go wrong. Maybe something goes wrong. People don't brief you properly. It's a lot of things. But I feel if a director, a writer, the whole team knows, because a lot of times the whole team is involved in choosing a talent.
Correct.
So if the whole team knows it, then why are you wasting time auditioning? Because you know. मैंने इतने auditions दिए ना, मैं आपको बता दूंगी, मुझे अंदर से पता चला है they already knew उनको कौन चाहिए था. और कोई लॉक्ड भी है पहले से, बट सिर्फ एक फॉर्मेलिटी होती है कि यार हमें यू नो एक लिस्ट सबमिट करना है, आगे प्रोड्यूसर्स को बोलना है कि हमने तो सबके ऑडिशंस ले लिए, बट यार यही बेस्ट है. because they know it and they can bring it out of you, because a workshop requires a good 20 to 30 days. You see any big film, you see Sanjay Leela sir's, you know, any of his films, he's done such lovely workshops, and we always hear it from all the renowned actors that, yaar, you know, Sanjay sir gets it out of us. Like how Ranveer Singh had said he was locked up in a room for his character. And that's commendable. I mean, it's amazing. But how did he do that? How? Because he got someone as lovely as Sanjay sir. You need that one person who can really look through you and say that, yaar, you know, ye insaan kar lega. Like you see a Deepika, when she got an Om Shanti Om. You know, Farah Khan knew that, yaar, this girl has it in her. She's going to do it. She just looked through her, because Deepika's interviews, if you go through them now, she says, I never auditioned for it. I got it without an audition.
So you want to tell the viewers, Bollywood works a different way?
Yeah.
South works different way.
Yeah.
So which is best?
See, there's nothing, I wouldn't say that, I wouldn't use the word best, but I would say both are amazing in their own ways. Because maybe Bollywood could give a person a hit, and maybe that Hollywood film could not give them that hit. Or maybe that Hollywood film could give them that hit, and maybe the Bollywood couldn't. But my point being that you should trust your talent. That's what I feel. You know, because mere hisab se auditions dena, I know it's been a protocol for years and that's how it goes about. But again, a lot of people don't know that people are already locked. And it's not fair to a lot of these new talents who come in. And it happens with agencies. They're always pushing their favorite talents. They feel that, yaar, दूसरों को ना side में हटा दो. I know so many people who don't get opportunities. उनको तो मालूम भी नहीं होता कि ये audition होने वाला है. क्यों? क्योंकि the favorites from that agency are already sent forward. It's not fair. So I believe in one thing, जो आपके इधर लिखा है ना, destiny में, वो तो होना ही है. वो कोई एजेंसी, कोई कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर नहीं रोक.
अच्छा, लेकिन कशिका कौन सा सरप्राइज देने वाली, बिकॉज शी इज गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी गुड स्क्रिप्ट विच इज वेरी डिफरेंट. वो किरदार जो अभी तक के किरदारों से बहुत अलग है.
हाँ जी.
एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू गिव अ सरप्राइज टू द फैंस, बिकॉज अलग अवतार में
Okay, I'll just say it's a little bit of horror, which has not yet been, you know, put out there. But it's a little bit of horror. How did you know that, dude? Are you like some astrologer set into my life more than a journalist? But yeah, it's true. It's going to be a different avatar.
So क्योंकि उसके लिए preparations बहुत चाहिए. So preparations कौन सी चीज की next है, because
एक्चुअली मुझे प्रेपरेशन की टाइम, मतलब कोई टाइम ही नहीं मिला है प्रिपेयर करने का. बिकॉज व्हाट्स हैपेंड, देयर आर नो प्रिपरेशंस. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग अ कॉल एंड आई एम गोइंग ऑन सेट. दैट्स ऑल दैट्स हैपनिंग. सो वी आर नॉट रियली गेटिंग दैट, you know, time. And you won't believe actually what happened even with my South film, right? This film that I got with Jampana sir, he's amazing. Oh my God, this entire team is like amazing. Tota sir, my producer, all of them, they saw my movie Love Your Father. And sir told me, you know, he said that I loved your performance, that I would not want to audition you, because see, work gets you work, right? As much as you're out there, people also know if she can play that character or not. As a director, why are you a good director when you know they can play a certain character? So, I was just, you know, called up and told that, listen, we want to, you know, just do a little test shoot where they wanted to click me with the other talent, the co-star. And they proceeded further. It was not like there was, you know, an audition or something. Of course, for Love Your Father, there was. But at the same time, my gut told me, you're getting this film. Because I felt that character. I felt like, you know, I've enacted that. And like I told you, na, जब कुछ लिखा होता है, मतलब, you won't believe 250 plus girls auditioned for Love Your Father. And I didn't even feel कि 250 आया. I was like, नहीं, मैं ही हूँ. I'll just go and do my audition.
ऐसा कौन सा किरदार है जो आप बहुत पढ़ते हैं और आपने बहुत सुना है और दिल के बहुत करीब होती है जब आप किसी की बायोपिक करना चाहते हैं? वो भी एक ड्रीम होता है कि व्हेन यू प्ले समथिंग, उसको आप निभाना चाहते हैं जिसको आपने देखा है, पढ़ा है. तो कोई एक ऐसा किरदार ऑन स्क्रीन जो आप बायोपिक एज अ बायोपिक निभाना चाहते हैं?
See, to be honest now, I feel that no one can really do justice to a biopic. Because what happens is, in a biopic, you are trying to become another person who's already been so successful. Why do you want to make a biopic on them? Why? I mean, do something that's going to make people want, you know, that's going to make people think that, yeah, tomorrow we want this person's biopic. Why do you want to copy someone? Why? I mean, I don't get it. Why biopics are made. I feel they should be original stories. They should be stories based on you. Because those people have already made it in life. And you're trying to follow them and make a copy of a film, which is going to be a copy of their character in a film, which really doesn't make sense. Because you can't do justice to what they were. जितना भी आप कोशिश करोगे।
लेकिन डांसिंग स्किल्स के लिए कोई ऐसी फिल्म अभी तक हाथ नहीं लगी है जिसमें कशिका अपनी डांसिंग स्किल्स को शो कर सके।
एक्चुअली बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मुझे मिला था, आई मीन अ कपल ऑफ फिल्म्स, लाइक दे हैड कॉल्ड मी एंड दे अप्रोच्ड मी और उन्होंने बोला था। दैट्स सो स्वीट, थैंक यू। व्हिच वीडियो डिड यू सी?
I'll tell you.
Okay, we shall talk about this. But so I got a lot of opportunities, but they were like, singles in a movie. So I was like, yaar, nahi karna wo. Jo bhi hoga, I wanted to be in my film. I don't want it to be like an item number or, a performance in some film. I don't want that to happen. If I want to work, I want to give my, whole and soul into doing one project wherein I act, I dance, I do all of it in one film. Correct. So that's what I was looking at. So I always said a no to those. They were good production houses, big. But I was like, नहीं यार, जो गट कह रहा है ना वो ही करने वाली हूँ।
वक्त है, लेकिन वो प्रोजेक्ट बहुत जल्दी आएगा when you can see her dancing skills. लेकिन she is good at sports also. She's played national levels. और एक डिसिप्लिन आता है स्पोर्ट्स से। कभी अगर आज मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, ऑडियंस जानना चाहते हैं, कशिका कपूर अगर एक्ट्रेस नहीं होती तो क्या होती?
I've said this many a times actually. A basketball player.
Because she plays basketball well.
Yeah, I love basketball. It's like, how do I tell you? Oh my God. If I've had like a bad day at work or if I'm stressed or anything, I think the only place I feel rejuvenated, I feel calm, I feel good is when I go and sweat it out. Wow. Is when I go for basketball specifically because I know I'm going to make some goals, score some goals and feel really good about it.
It makes you focused actually.
Yeah, and I think one good thing about basketball, right, and about any sport, and you being an athlete, is that discipline and dedication are a part of you. So what happens is any field that you choose in life, right, you're always going to be very disciplined. You're always going to be very dedicated. Why not, yeah? I mean, now that you've said it, I'm sure you want that to happen.
Because
so I'm sure there are many who want it to happen.
Because वो किरदार मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, because वो किरदार आपको पता है कि आप कौन सा निभाना चाहते हैं। वो आप अगर बता पाएं कि because we are seeing रामायण 4000 करोड़ की सबसे बड़ी रामायण बन रही है। We are seeing lot of mythological subjects coming.
I feel even for a mythological, because I'm very, very spiritual, I feel I believe in Bholenath. So I feel maybe Shivji will want me to portray a certain avatar. So again, Guruji will choose me to portray something.
Maybe some song and maybe
you
some
never
script.
know. How do you know this? How? Yeah, but of course something devotional for sure. Yeah. But again, that's going to be in God's hands. Yeah. So whatever.
No, it's soon. It's not in God's hand. It's in her hand, and it's going to be soon.
Listen, I have not told you any of this. I don't know how you're saying this. Guys, he can really I don't know, he's got something in him. He's got this power of reading people in them.
No, last two questions. एक जब आप चलते हैं तो कारवा जुड़ता है। मैं उस कारवा के लिए जानना, बिकॉज आपकी मॉम ने भी हमेशा कहा कि चलना बहुत ज़रूरी है। लेट द पीपल टॉक, लेट द पीपल से, आपको फोकस्ड रहना है। किस चीज़ ने आपको सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस्ड रखा है अपने काम के लिए?
Just my focus on my work. Yeah. Just there's literally both the eyes are looking only at one thing. That's the goal to be achieved. It's not this, it's not that, it's nothing. It's just one goal. Which I think my family and I know. So.
I'll tell you later on. लेकिन किसके साथ, because हर एक्टर ना अलग अलग जॉनर एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता है, लेकिन आपका फेवरेट जॉनर कौन सा है? बिकॉज we have seen you doing no, नहीं देखिए, बिकॉज एक भूख होती है एक्टर की, वो सब कुछ करना चाहता है, लेकिन एक होता है ना कि वो इन्वेंट करना चाहता है अपने आप को उस किरदार के। तो आप अपने आप को किस जॉनर में इन्वेंट करना चाहते हैं, विच इट विल बी सरप्राइज फॉर एवरीबॉडी, और आपने वो अपना वो किरदार हल्का सा छुपा के रखा है?
I think a genre I can do justice to, क्योंकि genres तो limited है, आपको मालूम है, इतने genres है, and जिन्होंने justice नहीं किया है, उनको maybe be in that place, like in their place, and do justice to the role.
I think she wants to do some action film.
Oh my God, I don't know why you think that way. I think I want to do anything content based. Anything that's, that's
Because we have seen,
fulfilling. Yeah.
हमने बहुत कम एक्ट्रेसेस को एक्शन करते हुए देखा है. We've seen
हाँ जी.
करना, but मुझे लगता है कि एक ऐसा जॉनर है, मुझे लगता है कि कशिका is going to do justice. हालांकि हर किरदार का जस्टिस होता है.
Okay, manifesting it all. Done. Let's do it.
और what all you have to say to the fans because इतना प्यार आपको मिलता है और उस प्यार की वजह से आज हम आपके साथ हैं. What all you have to say to the fans who loves you a lot?
I think I just want to say one thing that thank you so much for all the love that you guys shower upon me. I always say this and I'll continue to say it no matter who I become, what I become and how big I become. But without you guys, I'm nobody. And it's you guys who make me, who makes me a somebody. But I just want to say that please, please, please do let me know, what you feel I should work on more and what you feel I should work on changing more. And I want to make sure that I satisfy you guys because you are the ones who make us. So definitely you want to just make sure that I make you guys happy. Always.
Thank you, Kashika, for joining us. हम ये कहेंगे, she's one of the धाकड़ girl which I have interviewed और ये कहूँगा, मंजिलें हिलती है तो हिलने दो. कशिका कपूर का निशाना अर्जुन के तीर जैसा है. And you'll see in future. फिलहाल अभी के लिए इतना ही. आप बने रहिए भारत 24 के साथ.